All right. So guys, good evening. I have made some few people co-hosts. You check on your on your membership in here. Some people are co-hosts. If you're a co-host, please be checking. Then you help me with some of the noise making. You just mute somebody who is making some noise. So I am going to start this presentation, guys, without wasting a lot of time. Some of you are probably new, others are just coming in today. I want to let you know that something very amazing is that here. Oh, people are coming in. Boom, boom music. Let me keep muting. Let me keep muting them. So when you look,
Hey, Mr. Benny,
yes,
if you
hello.
want to check the group, I send the banner in the group. I send the
Oh,
banner in the group, you and me.
you'll check
Is
this
there.
message
Check
as
it out.
well. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is good. This is
Check it out in the group.
yeah, this is good.
Good?
Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. So the people can come in immediately and be part of this Zoom. And tomorrow we shall be also advertising it more. This is going to be our daily banner. Okay. Now we are going to change on the some few things. This will be daily Zoom, daily English Zoom meeting. We shall do a little edit, no problem. So let's go ahead and run and do this presentation. I know we currently have some quorum at least. You see, I told you once we have 19, 20 people, we're good. It's, these initial stages, we don't expect so many people. When people get excited, then they call others. So we are having a company called Quantum. And when you look at what it is saying, we do it for you. So Quantum does it for you. So you need to understand what it does for you. So let's go ahead and begin the presentation right now. Now, about Quantum, listen very carefully, guys. Quantum is a community of visionaries and entrepreneurs composed of professional traders who successfully operate in the stock, cryptocurrency, and forex markets. Hope you get that clear. We develop cutting edge projects in the technology industry, such as metaverse. Some of you who came in early, you found guys in the office playing some games on the metaverse, the NFT, and the cryptocurrencies. Now, we believe in direct or referral type of sales, as we are convinced that person to person conversations are the best promotional tools. That is what we call peer to peer. Now, Quantum is headquartered in Dubai, but there is also an office right now that is in Dominican Republic. Right now, I think we have about 4 offices, and I can tell you guys, things are getting better and better. I saw in the back office a few guys have started activating their accounts, and it's just amazing. We are in about 3 days, and we already have a group of about 130 people in a space of just 3 days. So, meaning, if everybody understands what this is, they'll be so excited. Now, let's look at the vision, the mission. The mission is very key to impart training and knowledge about trading, cryptocurrencies, stocks, the metaverse, and then the NFT. Now, what is our vision as Quantum? Our vision is to serve and help community members to gain access to crypto markets through cutting edge technology tools. And now, when we look at what the values are here, we are looking at people who are confident. Now, that is confidence, punctuality, excellence, commitment, and then transparency. This is very key for us. Now, what is the corporate objective of this company? Our goal is to be in all parts of the world by the end of 2022. Guys, sometimes most of you read things and you think they have just been written. Let me tell you something. The company is saying they want to be in all parts of the world by the end of 2022. How many continents do we have, guys? We have, I think, 6 continents. Are they six? Yes. So already Asia is taken up. We have the African continent taken up. Now we have a few guys who are coming up in Europe. We have Asia. Okay, Asia is on. We have the Latin American side. It's all over. The Americas is soon. So we are trying to look for the European market right now. And guess what? The location of this company is in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, with an operation in more than 15 countries. So we are growing. Soon we are going to update. So let's look at where we focus, because one of the areas that is doing our credit creation at the moment is the forex. And let's define it. Forex, or also known as foreign exchange market, is the conversion of one currency to another. You guys, it's as simple as that. It is one of the most active and liquid markets in the world. Are we together? Don't get tired of listening to these amazing things. Now, why forex? That's what we want to understand. Why forex of all things? Now, this is because it is the most liquid financial market in the world. Daily moves more than $66 trillion dollars, with the possibility of leverage to maximize profits. It is easy to operate 5 days a week. So that is the reason this company is actually paying you something from the investment or from your liquidity as much as 5 days per day. And we shall see how much it is paying you. So quantum products and services, what do we have? What are we dealing with? The Eco Advance Academy. Then we have the quantum metaverse. We have the quantum app, the trading, then the quantum NFTs collections. Now, the quantum NFT collections and the quantum metaverse is a product that is going to be launched because of the community. So we are currently gathering the community to have that product launched. And the target is just 100,000 members. And guess what? We are about 6,000. So it means that some of you who are in right now, you are pioneering a concept. And it's not just a small project, it's a very big platform, guys. It's big. So you had better come in and be firm. And let's move to the next level. So let's look at, excuse me, more. So let's look at the system education, which we talked about here. Now, the Eco Advance Academy, it is a system that helps our partners to dominate the different markets of the trading world. It is an added value for all the people who are part of this club. You will have access from your virtual office to the entire Eco Advanced educational system, in addition to the live sessions of trading classes. So in making this short, I will actually define for you what is in here. In this platform where the education is, they help you understand some of these markets, the financial markets. How do you trade? Where do you buy? Where do you sell? At what point do you sell? So there's a lot of education that is going to be going on. And currently at the office in Dominican Republic, there are lessons that are always on. I saw some guys in class. So we are going to be having our metaverse office, which is about to be released there. Recently, when we did our first meeting, we entered one. Now, trading, arbitration trade. This is now the part that is currently working for us, where we are making lots of flips. I would call them lots of returns. It consists of buying a foreign currency in the market where its price is low, and simultaneously selling it in the market where the price is higher. Now, this is possible since exchanges generally have different prices for the same cryptocurrency. This situation of price gap is used by traders to make profit on their trades using arbitration. So that is the arbitrage that we are talking about. So some of you that came in early, you saw people putting on that gadget. Now that is the metaverse. It is a virtual world where different types of digital economies are developed, among which stand out the trading of NFTs, which we have, and we are creating our own NFTs, tokens, and cryptocurrencies. So there are also games in there. People go into the metaverse to play games. People are there owning property, guys, virtual property. So as we move on, we are looking at the quantum NFT collections that are coming in soon, because this is still under building, and the office for the NFTs and the metaverse will be launched in Dubai in September. Some of you are going to be part. We are going to invite lots of you to have 4 days and five, I would say 4 nights and 5 days in there in Dubai. And the qualification, I'll show it to you. It's very simple. Now, we have an app that is coming. I think it's about to be up and running, because some of you guys have been having issues with entering your accounts. You open, then it closes. You do this, you find. So once you have an app, there is easy access of this app. You just flip through and you're seeing everything very easily. So the quantum business pillars, we have a model based on 6 pillars where we intend to create lots of credit from whatever you guys are contributing into this company. And the future is going to be bright. Now, the number one, which is currently working, is the trading. The trading is up. Our metaverse is actually up because it's being tested. People are in there doing lots of things. We were in the Zoom the other day on the metaverse. Then we have the NFTs that we all know are actually real right now. This is a company that is actually putting up what works, guys. It's not talking about things that have not been tested. I keep saying this because we are trying to talk about the real world, the realistic concepts. People are in businesses that are talking about systems that have never been launched on this earth's surface. They are saying we shall be the first to launch ABCD. We need to go in what is already working. Stop reinventing the wheel, guys. When you keep reinventing the wheel, you're going to test concepts on people and then they are not going to work. But we already know NFTs are currently working and they are attracting lots of money. The metaverse is working. That virtual world is on. Everybody is running towards it. So it has attracted what I would call a quorum already to be looked at as a business area. Then we have the apps, the cryptocurrencies, which everybody knows, and then the multi-level marketing, which is going to help us do the spread. You see, that part helps us run in every country very fast. Are we together? So let's look at this. People have been asking me today. I don't know whether those people that were asking me this are on. Are you on this Zoom tonight? I will be calculating for you a few things, guys, because this is the most important part. We are going to discuss the membership of this business, Quantum. We have 2 memberships, the executive and the consultant. Before I go to the executive, let me start with the membership called consultant. When you become part of Quantum, as soon as you register, now I want you to listen to this, guys. As soon as you register and you pay a package, you by default, your membership is on a daily earning of 0.5. I want someone to understand this. As soon as you register and you pay your package, your daily earning is by default 0.5 per day, which makes it 2.5 a week, and it makes it 10% a month. Are we together here, guys? And now the question is, do you think this is fair or it's not fair? 10% a month. Because guys, I'm a banker and I know what happens in those institutions there. The banks tell us to bring our money, and every month they give us 1%. And at the end of the year, they give us 12%. So now I ask a question to the people who are listening. Do you think this is sustainable? Can you earn 0.5 per day for the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years? Now that question, I leave it to you. Is this realistic? All I can say is this is realistic. Are we together, guys? This is realistic. And this is the part where the company is most likely to actually pay an investor. You see, most people that I know will be very comfortable with having 0.5 per day. Now, let's look at this. If you're at this level and you decide to probably talk to somebody and say, man, I'm enjoying some nice business, that is like referring the business to somebody. Automatically, if this person invests, the company will give you 7%. It's a one-off. Should you go ahead and say, I want to build this business, I put someone left and another person right, automatically, each time there is a pairing, you have 7%. Now, the company has given you what we call an option of earning more if you choose. This is for everybody, but it is saying with your same package, you can also decide and say, I am coming in as a consultant, but I want to be an executive. Now, that's the part where people were asking me. So there is by membership. you can choose. As an investor, I will teach you this, that as an investor, if you come into this business, please come in and subscribe for the membership of executive. And what is that? If you've bought a package of $1,000 for you to become an executive and you do 1.5% per day, the company is saying, please, can you only pay 5% of that package, which is only $50. So when we do a calculation, $50 that month will earn you 30%. You will attract 30% of your package. That means also if you take away 5% that you have paid, then you're going to make 25%. Are we there? And what is the company's objective? The objective is to give you 200%. This is very, very friendly. How many times can you make 200%? Let's assume you came in and understood the game and said, me, I want to be an executive. So if you make 25% in 1 month, it means the following month, you are also going to make 25. So that's already 50%. So in 2 months, half of your investment is back. On the 3rd month, you're on 3/4. On the 4th month, you have made 100% of your money. 100%. Now, what do you do there when you make 100% of your money? So you invested $1,000, and before you know it, you have $2,000. What you invested, principal plus profit. So meaning in a space of only 4 months, you have done 100% profit on your money. So you go back to the normal businesses. Can you do this? If you don't like this, you say, well, I'm going to be fine with having my 0.5 and I will not contribute anything to this. And at the end of the month, you have your 10%. But as a networker, I will tell you guys, as a networker, find a way of earning 12% binary, guys, and 12% direct. You'll be very happy with this. I did a calculation on this thing, guys. This is abnormal money. I did a calculation and I cannot fail to have a 12% direct and 12% binary. It's optional. But I did my calculation because this system is dealing with a monthly check. Guys, here it's a monthly check. It's not about your rank. It's about who earns the biggest check at the end of the month. And guess what? That is where the real game is. So you choose to become an executive at an extra fee of just 5% of your package. Me, I am paying $250. $250 on my package. Why? Because I want to be part of the executive. Another person is saying, no, I don't want. So what do? You make a choice. I love this. And in another way, the company is saying whatever you pay as 5% is put in an accrual account somewhere. This account is where the company is picking some money to do what we call events, to send some leader who wants to fly somewhere and go and teach his people. That's where the support is coming from. Now, because of that, this company will run for long because it's not using the investors' money. Most of these companies that we have out there, they are using investors' money. Before you know it, they are doing events on the investors' money. Yes, it's the profit. So whatever profit they are making as a company, it's not enough. So here, the company will make its profit and then it will have money to run events for the people who will choose the executive. Guys, money is sweet. Everybody wants to flip their money very fast. Every investor is saying, how quick can I have my money back? But again, another investor is saying, can I continue earning from this for a very long time? Yes, you can. The company is comfortably going to pay 0.5, even if it is for the next 5 years. Now, let me show you this. Next is what we call the accelerate your profitability. There are 2 simple ways to earn referral bonuses and binary bonuses. In our system, we are not talking about unilevel, all Sijui, what, all that. No, we do not want to confuse you with that. We are saying come in and have a quick start. What is a quick start? Refer somebody immediately and have that commission, either 7% or 12%. Come in and have a person left and a person right. What does that mean? You're going to have a binary. And this is what we are talking about. Quick start refers to your acquaintances. or to your people out there to be part of the quantum community. By doing so, quantum will reward you either with 7% up to 12 of all the people you refer directly. Is that hard English, guys? It's very easy. Now, the system will continue rewarding you with bonuses every time your affiliate upgrades or renews something in their packages. Now, this system was created in a way that you can keep adding money on your packages. There is no specific package in here because people will say, what is the package you have? No, here you can have 1,300, you can have 1,700, you can have 2,200, you can have 21,500. No, 20, no, it's in bits of 100, 100, 100. So are we together? 21,300, 24,500. So all those packages that you keep adding in, somebody is making some commission. And when you make 200% when the way the company has promised, immediately you renew. So when you renew, what happens? The person also makes money. Your account is not going to go away. It will not be deleted from the system because it has expired. Have you ever had a bank account that your money is over from the bank, and then the system decides to delete it? No, your account will stay there. Anytime you upgrade, you're making some money. But if you're a networker, don't let your account expire. Because if it expires, it won't earn you commission. Where will the money go? I will show you how the money is. It's counted. There is a meter. Once the meter has filled up, then there is no more money coming into the system until you renew. Are we together? So this is the binary. And the system is saying benefits from 7 to 12% on the lower volume side of your team. Note, to access the binary benefit, you must be qualified with a person on both sides, either left and right. Are we together? So you have to put someone on the left and another person on the right, and then you get qualified. So let's look at these packages. I told you, you should know what you can earn according to your membership amount. Here we are using the highest hypothetical scenario, which we know, and it is 1.5 per day. If you invest $100 today, it means you can do $1.5 should you decide to have your executive plan. If you invest 50,000, you can have $750 a day. Are we together? And weekly, you have around 7.5%. And at the end of the month, like I told you earlier, you can choose to have 30% or you can choose to actually have 10%. I like this concept. Let's move and see to the next level. Now, payment methods. Quantum's payment method is through cryptocurrencies only, nothing else. And maybe soon we shall probably put it to another things, but it's only crypto. Now, let's look at the regulation, guys. The part where somebody is asking, when I invest, how long do I take to earn? When I withdraw, how long does my money take to reach my wallet? When I want to withdraw, how much are they charging me? All those things we are going to answer them. What is the minimum withdraw? All those things we want to answer them. Now, number one, the company is saying retreat day, which I would say also the day of happiness, excitement is Saturday. It is a Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We are talking about the Caracas time, which is also the same as Latin America time. That time, everybody can do a withdraw. Now, listen to this. I told you you can choose to go to an executive level membership by pushing in 5% of your package. That package, the 5% that you push in, does not contribute to your volume. That's why they are saying 5% of the value of the executive membership does not generate points and no liability is paid for it. When we say liability, there is no trading profit that is paid on it. Repurchase of executive membership is every 30 days. So you can have your membership repurchased every 30 days. It is up to you. Someone told me, no, I don't like these things of membership. No, these guys are cheating. As I said, okay, you go to some place where they are not making any money, and 6 months down the road, they are looking after you. I would rather be in a company that is paying me, and I know it is also making some money. This membership concept will enable me to stay in a company for long. Guys, we have the capacity to recruit out there. We have the capacity. The industry of MLM is getting spoiled because the owners of companies are not creating systems that can last. And most people are running to some of those systems. I would rather stay in a system like this that I know it is also making money and I'm also making money. The word is network. Either your money works for you or your network, and it's work, guys. It's not something that you come in and sit. If you want to sit and you've put $100, you're calling yourself an investor, it is up to you. Now listen to this. Only liabilities are paid for the liquidity contribution. So the company is saying the only money that you push in on your package, they will pay you returns. But the 5% is not paid any return. It goes directly to the company. And let me first go back here, explain this. When you do a binary, as soon as you have a person left and a person right, and then the pair happens, at that level, there is the first earning, which is called the first binary. This first binary that you make, let's assume you put 100 left, 100 right, and then you made 7%. Because you have just come in, you've probably not paid the executive. You get it? You have not paid an executive. So I told people the only way to do this, make your first binary with small accounts, because what is 7% of how much? Of just 100. This is $7, guys. $7. So that first earning of $7 will go directly to the company. Let's assume we have 1 million people coming in and they are first doing just only $7 with 100. Do you know what happens? The company will make 7 million from that. And that is sustainability for me. That 7 million will be able to be used to sustain the company in the time of dip. So I love that bit where the company also is making money, because most people are asking, so show us, where is the company making money from before we can be part of it? When the company is making money and you are also making money, then both of you are going to stay around making money. So listen to this part. 72 hours, they are working hours to start generating your daily income. If you buy a package today, today is Thursday, right? It means that day, then we shall count the Saturday, and then the Sunday and Saturday are out. Friday is in. So Monday is in. So by Monday or Tuesday, your return starts coming in, which I would call the ROI, return on investment, ROI. It starts coming in. Now, listen to the most amazing part that I like, and some people have not understood it. This point that I'm going to read, be careful. I know most people are not getting it. Binary points reset every 30 days. Are we together here? That every 30 days, let me give you now an example. Every 30 days, let's say on the left, I did 60,000 inclusive of the spillovers that are coming in from my upline. Are we together? If I did 60,000 and somehow on my weaker leg, I managed to do how much? Let's say 30,000. Now, when I do 30,000 on my left in a space of 30 days, the company is saying it will pay you either 7% of 30,000, which is 2,100. Are we together? Or it will also pay you 12% of 30 what? Thousand, which is 3,600. And for you to make this, it doesn't matter what package you have, guys. But remember, this is 3,600. So if you had a 1,000 package, that simply means that your count has already doubled. So for you to start running up, you need a good account. At least you find a way when time comes, you have an executive, I mean a 5,000. A 5,000 account will enable you to earn much more money because you are doubling at 10K. The bigger the account, the more you're going to have issues to pay its executive level. So don't mind. First, stay with your small account and earn maximally. Maximum earning is to have 12% binary and 12% direct. So if you have your 1K, it's okay. Just max the system. Put there $50 and max the system, and then have 1.5% coming in. Are we together, guys? I want us to understand this. When you do your withdrawal, the company is going to charge you 7.5% to withdraw to your wallet. I know most companies are either talking 10%. I know one which charges 20%, another one charges 15. Majority are charging 10. So this company is saying, we have given you money, but we shall only charge you 7.5 because the company has to make money too. What is the minimum investment here? Only $100, just 100. And the minimum withdraw, just 50. So meaning you be there on a Saturday and things are bad and you only have $60. You say, well, let me pick out my $60. So when you do a withdraw, it's up to 72 hours that your money is seen on your wallet within a space of 72 hours. So meaning I can do it in the morning and in the evening I have money on my wallet. It's very possible. So for the people who are saying, me, I will wait for the entire week, that's fine. But we have others who are saying, I have no time to wait. Use of funds of liquidity in back office. Now, these are the networkers who are working every day and he has people coming in. So you realize that you can actually use your own money in the back office. There is an account in the back office. You can use your money. So when you use your money, the company will also charge you 7.5. Here you're seeing 10%. I will have to find the new presentation that has the correction. This was corrected a few days ago, and you're going to be charged 7.5 for the internal. So exit and internal exit also. So you can send money in one line, either your downline or your upline, or you can create a package for somebody who is coming in and you have an instant withdrawal without waiting for 5 days to end every Saturday for you to withdraw. Are we together about that one? So because of that, I told you guys that this presentation is so short, very short, and I do it in a very short time and everybody understands. I want you guys to understand that at the end of 30 days, guys, when we talk about resetting means that the system will flash unused volume. I used to think that this was bad. And I would say, no, I will not do a company doing that. But I would realize the ones that are doing accumulation of points and points, in 6 months, 7 months, they are gone. Because what are they doing? They are overpaying. They are being unfair. Some guy comes in and positions himself and goes to do some other funny scam. Then he finds lots of volume waiting for him. And before you know it, the company starts paying that guy. Is that fair? Why can't he come and also start something? Because this kind of system is not for the faint hearted guys. It wants the strong people. If you know you're strong and you can push every day, every time you wake up, you give yourself 3 months of pushing. You'll be there. You remove this volume, it comes. You remove this, it comes. You remove this, it comes. Are we together? So you make sure that you have either side is strong. So you're saying your upline is not giving you spillovers. He might give you lots of spillovers and you're not using them. So make sure your both sides are strong. People are telling me now, I want to build only one side. That is also okay. You can build one side and make sure the other side is equally strong. Otherwise, you might build one side and put too much, yet you could have balanced this. And at the end of 30 days, they are flashing that volume. They are flashing the volume. And then the guy with the biggest check is the real deal. No, nothing like ranks and all that. No, we are talking about the biggest check. And the company is also making money at the end of the month. Are we together? So, guys, thank you for attending. I am going to stop sharing. Um, I know we have had quite some few guys here, which is good. Let's keep appearing. Success is about you appearing all the time. Just keep showing up. Keep showing up. When you keep showing up, somewhere, somehow, something becomes part of your routine and it becomes a habit. Winning becomes a habit. Now, me in this industry, winning is my habit. Whether you like it or not, I have never failed to win. The first day I fought and fought. I've been in the industry 7 years. The first time I made $1 million in networking, I said, you mean even a black man like me can make $1 million? I said, wow. I continued. Before I knew it, I was making $2 million, $3 million, $4 million. And guys were thinking it is hard. It is possible, guys. And it's teamwork. And the system I made that money in was a weak system. I was earning binary of 8% in that system. Are we together? And I was being charged how much? 10% to withdraw. Now, this system is saying, I want to give you 12% binary. And you tell me I cannot make 100,000 a week. I'm giving myself only 90 days to start maxing a weekly check of at least between $20,000 to $30,000. Guys, the past glory can always be repeated. I always tell people we have a saying in Africa here or in Uganda that water can never forget where it once passed. Even if you block it with so much bricks, it will come and hit the bricks and pass there again. So I have attracted millions of dollars, and guess what? They are coming back because I'm not giving up. And I want to go up with some of you because some of you know it, that you can actually go up when we put together the energy. So thank you so much for listening. I don't know whether my brother Miguel is there. Our super upline. Brother Miguel, are you there? I know you were in the office today with the.
Yes.
Oh yes, you have already left.
Yes, Mr. Benny.
Oh
How
yes,
are you, Mr. Benny? How are
I am
you,
fine. I'm
everybody
fine.
in the audience? Miguel Angel Lopez here.